žodžiu, dar kelis svečius, tai Devin ir Lupa, jie yra iš... I'll switch to English for this one. So, hey, Devin, welcome to the meeting. Lupa has been here for a little already, and yeah, so the whole idea is pretty much perhaps you guys introduce yourselves and whatever we discussed, etc. Tell the guys, remember you're on recording as well, so there will be a YouTube video coming out hopefully today, tonight. Pretty simple, just the whole stream cut and so on. And if you would like to, perhaps Lupa, if you would like to share your screen as well, maybe show Tradeflow, because you're behind the product overall. So Mike is going to you now.
All right. Yeah, thank you for the introduction, Arnas. I'll do a quick introduction about myself before we dive into the product. My name is Devin Sloot. I have a background in traditional finance. I manage a hedge fund. We manage currently just over 20 million euros. Mostly FX and commodity trading. We do it here in Rotterdam, the Netherlands, where we are regulated as well. And I think just over a year ago, together with Lupa, I started working on Tradeflow because we think there is a lack of transparency in this trading market, trading space. So yeah, Lupa. I have a lot of background noise. Is it you, Lupa? Okay, so can it be?
No, I'll mute everybody else. And
all right.
I think some of it is from Lupa as well, perhaps.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah,
it could be. I could put myself away.
So yeah, that's how we started Tradeflow. A quick introduction on Tradeflow is it's a transparency software where you can track your track record, just like my FX book, FX Blue, but then without all the ads. And the other softwares out there are a bit outdated. The UI is very, very slow, laggy, and easy to manipulate. So that's why we built Tradeflow. Where it's way more modern design, no advertisements, as I said, and it's easy to share your track record with your team members, your community members, some clients maybe. So that's the core of Tradeflow, and also we host a monthly competitions on the Tradeflow platform where we give away $50,000 in prizes to the top 25. So if you scroll down a bit, you see the prize pool for coming competition. For number one gets a Rolex and 5,000 cash. Number two gets 7,500 cash or crypto or whatever you like. And then you see, all the prizes that we're giving away. And also we're going on an event with the top 25 because we really believe in taking the online trading space also a bit offline to connect with your fellow traders, mostly from Europe. So we have German, Lithuanian, Dutch, Belgium, UK traders. Everyone's competing, and on this way we're trying to bring together the trading space a bit more. So that's my quick story. Maybe Lupa, good to introduce yourself and tell a bit more about what.
I think it's also great to tell. So last month we finished the first competition ever for Tradeflow, and it was a great success. And on the 29th of November, we're going to host our first event in Rome. So it's going to be very exciting. We will make sure all the content is there for you guys to see. And as Devin mentioned, for this competition, obviously, we're doing another event, which is going to be in London. So quick background from my side. So my name is Lupa, and I'm the guy who does the marketing and product for Tradeflow, and in the founding team. And I think it's good to share my screen real quick so I can share the actual product. So if you would allow me, Arnas.
Go ahead.
Perfect. There you go. 1 second. We need to log in real quick. All right, so this is the actual dashboard. So this is a new account, so I don't have actually any data to show here, but this is how the dashboard looks like. Yeah, so Tradeflow essentially is built by traders for traders. Like as Devin mentioned, he's coming from a hedge fund, and our other co-founder was the head of trading of that hedge fund. So with his experience, we built this product. So all the data in here, we believe is what you as a trader would like to analyze and see and share with others. So that's how we built this dashboard. Again, like I don't have any data in here, so usually there would be here like your monthly gain and a pie chart of your most traded pairs, and here would be your open trades and your past trades. So I recommend everyone just create an account, connect it, and just see your data. Then for the competition, when you head to the leaderboard page, you can see all the competitions. So edition 1 is the first ever competition we did. And right now we have the Titan edition coming up, which actually starts in a few hours at midnight. We're going to start. And it's really cool. So what you can do is you can go in here. So the way it works is you connect with our broker. So you make an account there, and then you deposit your own funds, and then you connect your account, and you will be seen on the leaderboard. And that's how it looks like. So as we can see the entire top 25. So in this case, the competition will be with 500 traders. We will only showcase the top 25 because the top 25 are the people that are going to get the prizes. But it's a very fun way to engage with each other. And that's also one of the things why we build it, because like being a trader, sometimes it can be lonely. Like you're alone in your room, like doing whatever. And like we thought this would be a great way to build a community and have some interaction with other traders, connect with other traders. And that's also what definitely the first edition showed, that aspect. And that's only going to be more for this competition as more people will be joining, and we will take the community aspect even further. So
yeah,
I guess that's it.
I think what's a good thing is about the competition as well, that it's free to join. So we don't ask any participation fee. You just deposit your own money with Vantage. That's one of the biggest retail brokers there is. So a very trustworthy partner in our eyes. And it's just $500 that you have to deposit. And then you can participate for free and have a shot on $50,000 in prizes. So I think that's really giving back to the trading community as well, because so for a lot of traders, winning, for example, $7,500 can really scale up your funded portfolio, for example. And also the event allows you to connect more with other traders from Europe, and maybe in that case, as a trader, as a community owner or whatever, it helps you to grow as a person and as a trader. So this is it. And we've partnered up with Arnas, I think already like 2 months ago.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. It was before autumn, I think, at the very end of August. Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
But I wanted to add the reason it's a great way to know how you trade in terms of data as well. So the whole platform, it's I think the cheapest plan is $9 per month as well. So if you're also in the top 25, I think you get 3 months of the membership as well, or was it a month? Or
for everyone joining the competition, you will get 1 month for free. Correct?
Yeah. So I am using it personally as well, and everybody knows that I like to flip accounts. So $500. I know I'll have few strategies for myself at least, because I can, if I'm not mistaken, I can have 2 entries. Is that correct?
Correct. Yeah. So when you, worst case, you blow your account, you will get a pop-up and it would say like, hey, you have a revival option. So that means you can just refund your account with another 500 and try again. Yeah.
And I think it's important to mention that whenever you feel like you don't want to participate, you can withdraw the money. It's not locked for a month or anything. You can just stay for 1 day perhaps, and if you see that it's not for you, you can just
it's good to mention like the funds are withdrawable at any time, and also like you keep 100% of the profit. Like there's no profit share, whatever. Like it's yours, and the entry is free, so there's no downside at all.
Yeah. So like the goal would be obviously top 25. And I know I will create a special group in the Discord, a special channel for those who are trading the competition. I know it's gonna be quite a few of you, and I will showcase how I will handle my own strategy to get to the top 25. Yeah, I mean, we keep the profits, of course, if we get to the prizes, and then you just get the prize on top as well. So it's a good way to also it's good for your traders social I guess social presence as well, especially for someone like me, at least, who's a public persona a little bit and so on. So it's gonna be fun. We'll be streaming trading the competition as well. So we will be trading futures. And I'll talk about that a little bit later on, I guess, when we switch to Lithuanian and when we switch to the analysis as well. And we'll be trading futures, of course, but then, of course, we can trade CFDs of indexes, NASDAQ and gold, whatever. I mean, we can trade CFDs on Vantage as well. So, yeah. Anything else you guys would like to add?
I think one more thing to add, because that's also something new we're doing this competition, again, to take the community aspect even a step further, is that our head of trading every week during the competition is going to host a Zoom call just like this for everyone that participates to ask their questions. And he's also give his analysis on the market and the things that he did in that week and his plan for that coming week in the competition. So I think that's also very powerful.
Yeah, and I think it's smart to remind that we are not talking about a person who's trading 200K funded accounts. It's head of trading of a hedge fund.
Exactly.
We're not talking prop firm capital or whatever. I want my guys
Real money.
and people, and people in whoever is watching this video later on and whoever is watching right now to understand that this is completely another level. We're not talking FTMO funding pips accounts. This is a guy who's trading real capital, and I've seen the size myself. I mean, there's YouTube channel, Stories by We Trust, if I'm not mistaken, right?
True.
Yeah, and you
English
can
subtitles though.
yeah. That was actually one of the things I wanted to tell you guys. I'm sure if you decide to switch to English somehow on the content, I'm sure there will be a lot more. I'm sure I know you're comfortable talking in English, so I think it would be great. It would be something very interesting to watch. How you guys. The overall content, like how the fund works, etc. How you raise money. It's very interesting content for me, a lot, and I'm sure for everyone seeking future and career in trading as well. So
yeah, sounds good. Yeah, thank you. We are contemplating about going English, so maybe anytime soon that's possible. Sure.
Sweet. Okay, thanks, guys. We will now move on to analysis, and we'll switch to Lithuanian,
All right.
and then we'll see you on leaderboard then.
Yes. See you guys.
See you guys.
Bye
All
bye.
right,
It was
thanks,
a pleasure. Ciao, ciao.
Thank you. Okay. Tuojaus persimetam į čartus. Ok, dabar, žodžiu, vėlgi, laisva forma baigėsi, kaip ir tie tokie introductionai visi kaip ir pasibaigė. Ką norėjau pristatyti, tai jo, lyga, čia sakau, norėjau, man dėl to ir tas naujas rezervas atsirado, viską, ta prasme, čia šiek tiek, į kitą levelį, žinai, bandom įeiti, kitas levelis, tiesiog. Stengiamės, žinai, būti daugiau negu tik Discordo community, ta prasme, ir tiesiog, atsirado, pasisekė susikonektinti, pavyko, mane rado tie žmonės, žodžiu, ir mes turim gerą ryšį ir žodžiu, su jais tikrai bus dar daug visko. Tai lygiai taip pat ir jums esantiems čia tikrai bus tikrai įdomu. Nepaliksim tik tais pamokos, ten Zoom callai kažkokie ir panašiai, ir ten vos ne prekyba, bet šiek tiek pradės įdomesnių dalykų bus taip pat prie to paties. Okay.